The Journey of Holy Cross School, Panisagar. With the motto, Educating Heart and Mind, the Holy Cross Fathers laid the foundation stone for the establishment of a new school at Panisagar on May 5, 1996. However, the Holy Cross School took off its journey in the year 1997 with Father Kaligai Jairaj, CSC, as its first principal. After acquiring the land and documents with the help of some local leaders from Dolubari, the school admissions were opened from nursery to KG2. The following year, 1998, the school started to function with the total number of 22 students, out of which 7 were in the hostel. Initially, there were only 4 classrooms, and even though there was not much facility, the number of admissions gradually increased over the years. The Sisters of Charity also started the girls' hostel simultaneously. In the year 2001, Father I. Saharaj, CSC, took charge of the school as the second principal and put much effort to sustain and develop the school. He remained in the office for 2 years. In 2002, Father Lordu Swami, CSC, became the third principal of the school and invested much of his energy and time for the growth of the school. He was succeeded by Father Anil Cardoza, CSC, in 2003. During his tenure as the principal, there was already up to class 8 and the strength of the school reached up to 350. The number of the hostel students reached up to 165 boys and the facilities were also improved. After the sudden demise of Father Anil Cardoza, CSC, on March 21, 2006, Father John PKC, CSC, took charge as the 4th principal of the school. He led the school to enriching quality education and regularized the gradual growth of the school. He was succeeded by Father Paul CR, CSC, in 2007 as the 5th principal of the school. There was all-round development in and around the school campus during his time as the principal. Then Father Sojan Augustine, CSC, took up the responsibility as the 6th principal of the school in the year 2012, and he gave the school a facelift. After him, Father Daniel Kurba, CSC, took up the new responsibility as the 7th principal in 2014 and brought about many more development and better facilities in the school. The present principal, Father Davis Konuran, CSC, began his tenure as the principal from the year 2017 and made this school as we see today. Holy Cross School, Panisagar, has grown leaps and bounds over the past 25 years. The best criteria for judging it as an excellent school is the facility and good result it produced every year in both of these criteria. We can proudly say that Holy Cross School has achieved excellence. As we see in the chart, the first batch of class 10 students passed out with 100% result in 2009. Since then, it has attained 100% passed in Madhyamik examination and also produced students who were state level rank holders from the school. Besides the academic achievements, The school also has grown in the development of the basic required infrastructure like building, classrooms, school hall, school office, science lab, computers, playground, friendly eco park and beautiful ambience. A school band and different clubs were also introduced in the school. The credits for all this success goes to everyone, and it is the result of the cordial collaboration and hard work of all the dedicated teaching staff and students, especially the Sisters of Charity who have been part of this institution from its initial stage as headmistress and teachers of the school. The Holy Cross School Panisagar, as we see today, is the result of countless hours of hard work, dedication, persistence, vision, faith and sacrifices made by all the former principals, teachers and all the lay collaborators, and above all, the blessing from the Almighty God.